So this is page number 6 of your Word Perfect spelling book. If you have your spelling book in front of you, you can open page number 6. So let us see what we have to do. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Here we have the box and we have 12 spellings or words given here. Now let us first read out the spellings. W-R-I-T-E write, P-E-N pen, W-O-R-K work, C-H-A-I-R chair, L-I-K-E like, P-E-N pen, C-I-L sil pencil, S-C-H-O-O-L school, P-A-I-R pair, S-O-M-E some, T-I-M-E-S time, so it becomes sometimes, D-E-S-K desk, D-R-A-W draw, and the last one picture, P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Now what we have to do? We have to select appropriate word from this box and we have to fill in these blanks. Number 1. Bike rhymes or goes with dash. Bike, B-I-K-E bike. So can you search for that particular word which will rhyme with bike? I think it is right in front of my eyes. Will it be L-I-K-E like? Yes, it will be. Bike rhymes or goes with, it's same, rhymes or goes with like. So let me write the answer. Number 2. Hair rhymes with dash and dash. H-A-I-R hair. Okay, so let us search for the answers. We have to find two rhyming words of hair. See, C-H-A-I-R chair. This word also ends with A-I-R and this one also ends with A-I-R. So both are having the same sound, chair, pair and hair. So hair rhymes with chair and pair. Number 3. Dash rhymes with straw. S-T-R-A-W, straw. Again, what we have? R-A-W at the end. So we have R-A-W in this word also. This is draw. So draw rhymes with straw. But here we have to keep one thing in mind, that is, here we are going to start the sentence. So we will not write small letter. We will write here capital D. D-R-A-W, draw. Draw rhymes with straw, right? Next, dash rhymes with kite. What will be the answer? I-T-E. Here also we have I-T-E. So here also I am going to start the word with W. Write W-R-I-T-E, write, rhymes with kite. Write kite. Next, when and then rhyme with what? Any idea? When and then rhyme with pen. P-E-N, pen. Number 6. Fool and pool. Double O sound, oo sound, oo. Fool and pool rhyme with school. Here also we have double O, the double O sound, school, oo. So it will be fool and pool rhyme with school. S-C-H-O-O-L. Number 7. Instead of D in word, this is D. So instead means in place of D. So we will remove D. We will not write D. In place of D, I will write K. We have to write K. So we will write W-O-R-K. So it will be W-O-R-K. Here we have the word W-O-R-K, work. W-O-R-K, work. And the last one now, number 8. The word desks. S is here. That means more than one desk. means more than one desk. More than one desk will become desks. Okay. So this exercise is done. Okay. You have to do this in your spelling copy. So this you will write in the spelling copy and also learn these spellings. Alright children. So today I taught you page number 6. Next day I will teach you page number 7. Till then, have a nice day and thank you.